Hey friends, good morning. Today we need to get right to work harvesting flowers because we're expecting a big tropical storm this weekend. I'm going to get all of my sunflowers harvested, my celosia, straw flower, anything that might get ruined during the storm. I want to go ahead and get it harvested ASAP. So let's grab a bucket and get straight to work. I'm pretty sure my hair looks absolutely crazy today, so sorry about that. I had no idea about this storm, or else I would have prepared better for it. Oh man, are these beautiful. So I had sold some of these from the other succession a few days ago, and that day there was one bouquet left, so I kept it for myself. And these sunflowers lasted a week in the vase, and then I just kind of got tired of the arrangement, so I threw it in the compost pile. And wouldn't you know, 3 days later that sunflower still looked good in the compost pile. So I was really impressed with the vase life of these, and I didn't really know what to expect. Found another winner. Look at that one. You know, I'm really happy with the size on these. I wasn't sure at first, but once I started to cut them, I think at 6 inches, I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna leave all the singles for the bees. I'm not sure what the vase life will be on the singles. I haven't tested those. Look at that one. So I think I have a confession to make. A part of me is really hoping that we sell out in 5 hours, but a part of me is okay with this storm because if these don't sell, that just means I get to keep them. I mean, aren't these gorgeous? How could you not want to buy these? But you know, selling flowers that are dark is always a bit of a challenge at the stand, so we'll just see how it goes. What do you think, Grace? Gomfrina next? Good call. I think this sedum is going to save the day and take up a lot of space in the bouquets. Well, hopefully this will be good. I think we have enough for 4 nice bouquets. We have plenty of sunflowers for probably 6 or 7, but I'm gonna run really quickly to the front, grab a whole bunch of forsythia, and then quickly put these together, wrap them, and get the stand set up. Well, I threw these together really quickly and I managed to completely wreck the addition in the process. I'll have to clean up as soon as I come back inside. I think they look really beautiful. I tried to put 3 open sunflowers in the front, and then all the other sunflowers will open up in the vase for the customer. I also picked some hydrangea from over in the driveway garden, and I normally would wrap some of these, but since we're on kind of a time crunch, I think let's just go ahead and get them out to the flower stand because we only have about 3 hours until sundown. All right, friends, we are officially open for business, and I can feel this storm in the air. It's really windy now, but I just love the way these bouquets turned out. And normally I would put all 5 bouquets on the top shelf, but because of how windy it is, I have 1 on the bottom today too. Meanwhile, inside I have a delicious disaster going on. Grace is eating her dinner in the background, but I'm making some homemade apple cider with some of these apples that we picked from the tree over in the hydrangea room the other day. Well, friends, it's 2 days later now, and it's been pretty crazy here. Mainly the wind has been really bad. You might be able to see far behind me, a lot of my amaranth has fallen over. My pots on the porch have fallen over, but I don't think I've lost anything that's a complete loss. I think everything is salvageable. And this is just a current break in the storm. We still have 2 more days of rain. So I didn't sell any bouquets Friday, and then Saturday I kept trying to open up the flower stand in between these rain and wind sessions we were having. And the moral of the story is I sold 0 bouquets this weekend. But I don't want all these bouquets to go to waste, so I think I'm going to try to make the best of this situation and take some of these flowers and turn them into a pumpkin floral arrangement. So let's go ahead inside and start on that now. Well, even though the flower stand didn't really go according to plan, at least we still got to make something beautiful for our home. And I think moving forward this week, we'll probably be cleaning up the garden, cleaning up what fell down in the garden, that is. But I have some really exciting videos coming up for you. A tour of an author's cutting garden. A dear friend of mine is going to give us a tour, somewhat of an introduction and a tour to his cut flower garden and how he sells flowers at a roadside stand also. We'll have the September garden tour to look forward to. And of course, I need to throw some amaryllis videos out because 'tis the season, the most wonderful time of the year. And naturally, I bought way more amaryllis than I could ever need. So I want to wish you a wonderful day out there in your gardens, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.